Samsung has begun rolling out its first monthly security patch of 2025 to more Galaxy devices. The January 2025 update is released for the Galaxy S23, Z Fold 4, Galaxy S21, and Flip 4. These updates address reported security vulnerabilities and don't seem to bring any other changes. Samsung started the year by releasing the third One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 series, following its withdrawal for flagship Galaxy phones still running on the stable One UI 6 channel. Notably, the company's pushed the year's first monthly security patch to many devices, including the Galaxy S23, Z Fold 4, and 4. For the Galaxy S23 lineup, Samsung's latest monthly update is rolling out via the CXL2 firmware. It's currently live in Europe, the US, India, and select Asian markets. The 380 MB update is unlikely to contain notable changes other than patches for reported security vulnerabilities. The Galaxy S21's GXLB firmware is also available for download in the US, though not for all major carriers. Even the S21 FE is receiving the build, bumping it to the January 2025 security patch. In the US, the firmware is available for download on AT&T and Dish wireless networks. As for foldable, the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4's January 2025 security patch is available for unlocked units and devices on Verizon's network. Oddly, Samsung has yet to push the latest monthly patch to the Galaxy S22 lineup, despite the update being live for its predecessor. You can grab the latest firmware for your Galaxy phone from Settings, Software Update, going to Download and Install.